Why is hypertension dangerous? Understand the silent killer. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you had your blood pressure checked? Think about it. If I told you that high blood pressure often shows no warning signs, would you still wait for symptoms before checking? Today, we're going to explore this together. Why is hypertension so dangerous? 1. What hypertension really is. First, let's think about the numbers. According to the World Health Organization, hypertension means your blood pressure consistently measures 140/90 millimeters of mercury, or 140/90 methylpwentytermine, or higher. Now let me ask you this. If your reading was 145/92, would you shrug it off as a little high, or would you worry? Here's the catch. Even slightly high numbers over months and years quietly damage your body. 2. Why it's called the silent killer. Imagine this. A man in his 50s feels fine, never sees a doctor. Then one morning, he collapses from a stroke. Only afterward does he learn that his blood pressure had been high for years. This is why doctors call hypertension the silent killer. You can feel totally healthy, but inside, your arteries and organs are quietly being damaged. Think of your arteries like garden hoses. If you turn the tap up too high, day after day, what happens? They stiffen, they weaken, and eventually something bursts or clogs. That's exactly what long-term high pressure does inside the body. 3. What does high blood pressure do to your body? Let's dive into the biology. Constant high pressure damages the lining of your blood vessels, called endothelial dysfunction. Triggers overactive hormones like the renin-angiotensin system, which raises blood pressure even more. Makes arteries stiff and scarred, leading to plaque buildup and narrowing. Now, think with me. Which organs do you think take the hardest hit? The heart, the brain, the kidneys, the eyes? The truth is, all of them. Here's how. Heart. High blood pressure makes your heart work harder. Over time, this can cause heart attacks, heart failure, or an enlarged heart, which struggles to pump blood efficiently. Brain. It raises the risk of strokes, mini-strokes, also called TIAs, and even dementia. Kidneys. It damages the tiny blood vessels filtering your blood, leading to kidney disease or failure. Eyes. It harms the delicate vessels in your retina, affecting vision and potentially causing blindness. So, hypertension isn't just numbers on a cuff. It's slow, silent wear and tear on every vital organ. So now let me ask you, have you or someone you love checked their blood pressure recently? Tell me in the comments, when was your last reading, and was it normal or high? If this made you stop and think, hit like, subscribe for more doctor-style explanations, and let's keep learning together.